Hey guys, Crypto Sunday, and it's a very green week, up over 15,000 on last week, but I have put 1,000 in, my first buy for a little while. Kind of sort of still don't think we've quite bottomed, but in the event we have, then I thought I might as well sort of average down a couple of my positions, which were sort of heavily in the red, and yeah, we'll see where we go. So, news-wise, Blackrock do seem to be causing a reasonable amount of this sort of optimism. They put their sort of Aladdin platform, sort of enabled Bitcoin on that with Coinbase, and they're now creating a private trust. And also sort of talking about exploring permissioned blockchains, stable coins, crypto assets, and tokenization in general. So, yeah, the big news is they've launched a spot private trust. So, this would be for large institutional clients and is buying Bitcoin itself rather than derivatives. So, that's good. That's another sort of potential buyer of the physical. We don't really like big institutions getting involved in derivatives. So, that's quite good. Yeah, hot off the heels of adding Aladdin access to Bitcoin through Coinbase Prime. So, yeah, pretty good. They've sort of basically been saying they were holding off because of ESG concerns and the environmental impact of mining, but it's going a little bit more green, going sort of more energy intensive, but on the renewable side. So they're getting on board again. So that's good. Still, as you say, other people still sort of saying the winter potentially isn't over. So there's a little article from Decrypt sort of noting the rise for sort of the Ethereum merge and that sort of thing. Everything's been doing reasonably well, but you have started getting some sort of bearish news again. Not really bearish news on the network as such, but just general things. More people going bust. Hodl sort of Singapore lending platform from the looks of things, exchange. So they've gone from the looks of it. German crypto bank Nuri filing for insolvency. And yeah, still sort of issues with Celsius from the looks of it. So yeah, we're not out of the woods just yet, and I do sort of think the macro environment, sort of recession and potential Fed actions, interest rates, and that sort of thing will still sort of affect things. But at the moment, it's up. Ethereum did a test run ahead of the merge next month, so they're looking at a month pretty much today or tomorrow, middle of September, for the proper merge. And they did a test run which was quite successful. So, yeah, all going well. Ethereum sort of the biggest of the movers up. Let's just have a look at the portfolio. So Bitcoin up about 7%, quite good. Obviously, I'm heavy Bitcoin, so not the huge move that some people may be having. Ethereum up 18% on the week, which is pretty good. Cardano, sort of competitors are doing quite well as well. Cardano 12.5% and Solana nearly 18%. So yeah, I wasn't too tempted to buy Solana. It's sort of well below my average price, but nearly double sort of what it was. Would have been nice to sort of buy some at £20 odd. Similar with Chainlink, £19% up. Sort of, it was closer to £4 nearly. So I've chose not to. Chronos up 7%. Kind of looking to get rid of that sort of in the mid-term. Power Ledger 5% up. That's fairly steady. XRP not really moved, 3% up. And then Internet Computer. So it's one of the ones I added to. £500. So I'm up to 350 now. That's sort of flat for the week. Is up sort of, it was high in the high £4, so it is up, but sort of way below my average. Thought I would just add, they seem to be doing some reasonable amount of development, and their sort of potential integration with Bitcoin, sort of providing a layer 2 to Bitcoin, which not many people seem to be doing, so that seemed to be interesting. Basic attention token 7% up, pretty good, and Audius nearly 9% up. So Audius was sort of can't remember the lows it got to, sort of 25p or so, and now sort of 33p. So yeah, I was sort of I was paying £2 and sort of £1 for this, so thought it's still well down, and I'm very bullish on the sort of crypto side of the music industry. So put another £500 into that. I was at about 3,700, and I've now got 5,244 tokens. So yeah, that was my two buys, and then the Cardano Bull 3x token doing quite well, obviously, but still well below what I paid. So yeah, it's a green week, but I'm still a little bit nervous. Just thought I would add a little in case we have bottomed. So we'll see where we go. Let us know how you guys are getting on, and like and subscribe. See you soon.